Cute. This is cute. This is the miniature golf over here at in High Springs, and they've got this really nice what do you call that? A fountain or something? It's nice. It's pretty hot out today. There's a cute little thing here. It's pretty popular. They just redid all this too. The kids are cute. And then just eating food. Pink Flamingo. I ate food at the bar. And they got all inside and everything. This is the back side. This is nice artwork. Nice tree. Nice. Pink Flamingo. And the front of the place is pretty cute. Show you the front. It's like an old, kind of a 50s diner. Oh, look at that dog in that bag. It's cute. This place is packed. She said it's kind of hot inside too. Hello, I'm just filming all your cute decorations and stuff. I'm filming all your cute decorations and stuff. Yeah, I just ate. I'm full. Look at how cute this is. Whoop whoop. Alright. Whoops, I got bugs bugging me. Whoop whoop. Who's that person over there? I don't know who that is. Oh, we got Elvis. It never gets old. Whoop whoop. Alright. See you later.